30-day low-carb diet ketosis plan, day 3. In breakfast. Orange nut muffins. Ingredients for orange nut muffins: 6 eggs, separated, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, 8 Splenda packets, 1/4 cup soy flour, 1/4 cup walnuts, ground, 1 teaspoon orange extract, divided, 1 tablespoon brown sugar twin, 4 ounces cream cheese, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 8 Splenda packets, 1 teaspoon orange extract. Combine egg whites with cream of tartar and 4 Splenda packets and beat until whites are stiff. Sprinkle on 1/2 teaspoon orange extract. In a separate bowl, beat egg yolks together with 4 Splenda packets, and 1 tablespoon brown sugar twin. Add 1/2 teaspoon orange extract. Add a spoonful of egg whites mixture to yolk mixture, stir well, then pour entire yolk mixture into egg whites. Fold in 1/4 cup soy flour and walnuts. Place mixture into 12 greased muffin cups and bake at 350 for 15 minutes. Reduce oven temperature to 325 and bake for another 15 minutes. Yields 12 servings. Total net carbs, 2.3 grams per serving. In lunch. German cucumber salad. Ingredients for German cucumber salad: 2 cucumbers, thinly sliced, 4 green onions, thinly sliced, 3 small tomatoes, 2 tablespoons snipped parsley, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1/4 teaspoon mustard, 2 tablespoons minced dill, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Dice and combine cucumbers, onions, tomatoes and parsley. Combine dressing ingredients separately, then pour over salad and toss lightly. Chill at least 1 hour before serving. Yields 6 servings. Total net carbs, 9 grams per serving. In dinner. Turkey broccoli casserole. Ingredients for turkey broccoli casserole: 2 10 ounces packages frozen broccoli, 2 cups cooked and diced turkey, 1 10-ounce can cream of mushroom soup, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup cheddar cheese, grated. Preheat oven to 375. Cook broccoli according to package directions. Layer broccoli in a baking dish and spread turkey on top. Combine soup with cream and pour on top of turkey. Sprinkle on grated cheese. Place in oven and bake for 30 minutes. Yields 8 servings. Total net carbs, 7 grams per serving. Total net carbs for day 3 based on a single serving per meal, 19.3 grams. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and do like, share and comment below.